Look at this. Isn't this a beauty, huh? Look at that. Whoa. This is a real beauty. Look at all the chrome. The brass. Look at that. That is really a nice vehicle. Look at that. There you go. Look at that. This one's a 1918. Ooh. From Waldoboro. Look at that. There you go. Hey. How old that is. Even got the old luggage to travel with. Isn't that cool? Couple of nice, really old ones. Look at the steering wheel. Isn't that something?